Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Google Maps where 3D rendering is available. Open Satellite View and immediately zoom to the target area. This gives the imagery Google uses to build 3D. Make sure your browser or app is up to date and hardware acceleration is enabled so the 3D engine runs smoothly. Once done, use the tilt control or hold the right mouse button and drag to begin shifting perspective. You're converting flat tiles into an angled, depth-rich view. You now refine the 3D scene for clarity and detail. Tilt using right-click drag or a two-finger swipe, and rotate the scene with the on-screen compass or by holding Ctrl or CMD while dragging. This aligns landmarks to your intended viewpoint. Zoom closer to reveal building geometry and shadows. Zoom out to see terrain and larger context. Make sure to toggle labels and terrain layers so critical information isn't obscured. If performance lags, reduce zoom or disable layers. You finish by saving or sharing the 3D perspective. Take screenshots, use the share link, or switch to Street View for ground-level inspection. If the 3D view fails to appear, clear cache, update the app or browser, and confirm WebGL or GPU acceleration is enabled because those drive the 3D renderer. If problems persist, try another browser or device to isolate the issue, and make sure your internet connection is stable. Key tip: enabling hardware acceleration usually resolves rendering failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.